Hey, how's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. Boys, I'm glad you joined me today. I have an unboxing to do. I don't do many unboxings on my channel, but I'm going to do one today. I've been looking at getting this piece for the shop for quite a while now. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I just got to unbox it and then we'll discover it as I go. But I've been wanting to get this for a while. I've been holding off on it. It was kind of pricey to begin with. But Princess Auto, hey, good old Princess Auto, they had it on sale last week. So Nannie twisted my arm and convinced me, that I should get this. So I did. And anyway, instead of talking about it, let's just go have a look at it. Alright, here's the box. It's heavy. And I think you can see the picture right there. Like I was saying in the intro there, I've been looking at getting one of these for quite a while. I first noticed it being used on a channel that I watch a lot called Bruce Pender. Bruce is a great fella. He does tons and tons of small engine repairs, and he can fix anything from a broken heart to the crack of dawn when it comes to small engines and lawnmowers. I'm telling you, he does miracle stuff. Anyway, he had one of these lift tables, and he used to put the mowers on it and jack it up, and it came to a nice height. So I tried to emulate that by just having this old table that we had in the shop here, and that's not bad. It's a good height, but you have to lift the mowers up onto it. So I've been trying to get one of these, or thinking about getting one of these for a long time, and like I said, Nannie finally talked me into it. So here I am. I'm going to unbox this and open her up today. Like I was saying earlier, this is something that I was looking at getting for the shop for quite a while, but I was hesitant on it mainly because of the price. Wasn't sure, if I was ready to spend that amount of money on it. But then Princess Auto had them on special. So when Princess Auto had them on special, I thought, I better go get it. It must be an omen, right? Well, Nannie talked me into getting it too. So this is what it is. Wait till I just show you up close here. Can you see that? It's a lift table. 500-pound capacity, hydraulic lift table. It's got a nice rubber mat to cover the deck. So we'll just set that aside for now. Oh, I need more straps to cut. This is a 500-pound lift capacity, and the cart itself is quite heavy. I'm surprised at how heavy it is. I didn't think it would be that heavy. But it is. I'm not sure how much assembly I'm going to have to do here, but not much, I don't think. I think it comes pretty well complete. So then there's a handle. Of course, there's the familiar instruction manual, and then here's the pedal that you use to jack it up. Alright. The wheels have brakes on them. Casters. Nice neoprene wheels on it. Look at that. The deck on it, it says on the box how big the deck is, but I'll measure it here. The deck is about 17 3/4 by 28. So a little small to put a lawnmower on. But what I'll do is I'll put a I don't know, a plywood deck on that maybe, just to make it wider. So it seems pretty heavy duty. It says it'll lift 500 pounds, so that's a lot, eh? Okay, let's jack her up and see. There it is. She's fully up. So the fully raised height is 28.5 inches. Now, you may think that's not much, but I'm going to add probably a 3/4 inch deck on top of it. And then to lower it, there's a handle here, you just pull on that. Down she comes. How many pumps does it take to get it up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 and she's up. Pretty beefy underneath. The lift arms here, looking at those, they're about a 1/4 inch. And it's reinforced here on the edges, on this pivot point. So that's nice. I think this is going to be great. The lift arms here have roller bearings on them, so that and they run in tracks. So that's good. The overall height when it's in the down position, it's 9 inches. So not a big lift there, like if you had to lift something to put on it. Alright, there she is, look at that. Good and solid, good and sturdy. I like it. Pretty nice. Alright, what do you think of my new tool there? My new shop assistant, I'm going to call it. I don't know what to call it, other than it's nice. Glad I finally got it. I'm glad Nannie talked me into it. It's going to be some handy for, like, right now I have the table over there, that little work table that I showed you, and that's great, but you had to lift whatever it was up onto that. And like I do maintenance on my electrical generator, and that thing I bet you weighs 200 pounds, and I can't lift it up onto that table. So this is going to be good. I'll be able to get it up on my cart here and jack it up, and then I can get at it better, easier on the back. And as you get older, you'll appreciate that. Trust me. Anyway, thanks to Bruce Pender for showing me this lift table and you know, convincing me to get one, although he never really actually said those words. Mike, you got to go out and get yourself one of those lift tables. But every video I watched it, he would put his lawnmower on the cart and jack it up and then just stand there and work on it. It was so comfortable looking. Anyway, thanks Bruce for putting that idea in my head. And thank you for watching. I appreciate all the views that I'm getting and all the comments. I really like the comments, so keep those comments coming. If you have any questions about anything you see in my videos, please ask away. I'd be more than happy to try to answer them. And in the meantime, I hope everybody's having a great week, staying safe, staying healthy, and enjoying the great summer. Good tactics.